Hello. Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to a new session. Today I'm going to share with you Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to a new session. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this session I'm going to share with you how you can use a magnifying glass in a MacBook. So whether if you have right now I have a MacBook Air, just simply click on this Apple icon and you can click on about this Mac. Just click. So you can see the details of the Mac, and recently I have just installed a Mac OS Catalina 15 10.15.4. So if you want to know how you can update your MacBook, so just see the link in the description below, and just see the link in the description so you can easily, if you want to update your Mac OS Catalina, so you can also see the link in the description. So let's get started. So guys, after that you just simply click on this Apple icon and you can go to the system preferences. After that you can see here it's a accessibility icon. You can click on that one. After that you can see, you can click on the zoom. Once you click on the zoom, you have to make three changes here. You can easily understand. Use a keyboard shortcut to zoom. Toggle zoom, zoom in, zoom out. Just click on the first icon. Just check mark the first one, and after that you can also check on this one. Use a scroll gesture with the modifier key to zoom. So if you want to select more option, you can go with the more option, so you can also select the more. We have a control, option and command. We have a three option. So if you want to go with control, option and command, so you can select any of that. So right now I am selecting this control, and after that you can click on zoom style. I'll put picture in a picture. So this is easy and I'm always using this one, so I'll just click on this one. So click also on the last one, enable hover text. Okay, so after this you can hold your control button and click on the scroll button. You can see it's now appear. And again if you can scroll forward, it will go zoom like this. You can see. So if you scroll back, it will look like this from the mouse. You can control him from the mouse, and if you press two times backside means the negative one, so it will disappear. So if you again like this, it will show you like this. You can see, you can click. Or if you want to, it's a very helpful tool. While if you are if you connect your laptop with a LED, or if you connect your mobile with your LED, or any other option you have, or if you are working on a Mac, a little far, you are sitting on the sofa or a couch, or in a bed, so you can easily read something like I'll show you example. If you are normally, if we are going, like I'll open a new browser. So we can go to Google. So here we can type so we can go to Wikipedia. So we can click here. So we can click English, and you can easily just press the control button and make it zoom like this. You can easily, you can easily read the words if you want to read from the far. And also there is a example I'll show you. The next setting is that if you want the bigger size of this box, means you want to read full news and any other thing you want to read, so you can click on option button, and you can click on advanced button, and you can see in the last adjust size and location. So you can click on this one here. After this you can easily drag this for a bigger size. If you want to use this size, it depends upon your requirement. So I'll put it here and click OK. Still I am pressing the control button because I'm using this one. Okay, so after that you can now click on Google, and you can see now we can easily read from the small distance. Means it's a very helpful tool. So it's available in a Mac Pro, Mac Air, any version with any operating system. I think starting from the latest, because in the previous version I don't think so it's available, but you can also check with your MacBook. So you can see easily we can read the details like the high code of Australia, and each and everything you can read. So I'll just click on OK for the advanced setting, because, and also if you want to make it again small, just click on the adjust size location and click and drag it like this and click OK, and close this one. OK, and cross this one, and if you want to still use, you can use. So guys, I hope you like this session, and just don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm always try to make small session on Mac and Apple and other related to other software related to Mac. And also if you want to I'll put a few links in the description, so you can check whether it will help you, inshallah. Take good care of yourself, and stay at home and stay safe and healthy. See you in the next session. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. And also if you want to close, you can also just press the control button and scroll it back. It will disappear automatically. And if you want to see him again as fast as, the shortcut key is press the control button as we select, and in the scroll bar you can make it the forward, a little forward, you can make it forward, and also it will zoom it for you if you want to make it zoom. And also you can scroll back and it will look like this, and suddenly it disappeared. Exit, finish. It's a very simple tool. So I hope you guys again I'm saying this, see you in the next session. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.